I'm at the seaside, listening to the water splash against the rocks. As far as I can see, I have it all to me. So Juliana woke up a couple of weeks ago, or less than that, maybe 10 days ago. And she said, I had a dream that we were in the mountains. We just got the electricity turned on and we were working on getting the internet. And we kept trying and trying and trying. I was like, that's a nice dream. I didn't say that, but I thought that. And then an hour later, I had a ticket. I purchased a ticket to Jamaica because the house that I have in the mountains doesn't have electricity or internet. And there has to be some construction, some rewiring done. It's a long story, right? Not gonna tell that story. But I have to be there to make sure whoever is doing the work is doing it while I'm there. And then get the electricity and the internet hooked up. Challenge complete. Level beat, right? It's gonna probably take me at most 2 trips. It'll be magical to get it done in 1 trip. It'll be interesting. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I'd rather 2 trips. Yeah. So that's that. And while I'm here, I can play with Airbnb. The most expensive part is the rent-a-car, but without the rent-a-car, what? The experience is a waste. It's like a lot of time is wasted dealing with public taxi. The car, you're there just like that, you know. You don't have to talk to anyone or hear anybody's stories. It's good, man. It's a different type of life. But the rent-a-car is yeah, that's the expense. But you know, this is not something, you know, it's worth it. The value, I can't put a price on it, on the entire experience. Any amount is not enough. Not enough. The experience blows away the finance, what it costs, you know. The house in the mountains is the last backup resort, whereas if something really bad happens in the United States, or we sense that something could happen, is about to happen, we feel comfortable to get on our plane and get to Jamaica because I have a house in the mountains. That there is free food, free water, free shelter. All we need is clothes. All we need is clothes. And of course, you know, money for transportation. Yeah. You know, transportation and like, like to be able to rent or Airbnb, you know, once a month or something like that. Have a different experience every month because it's affordable. You know, Airbnb, man. So this is what it is. You know, I'm laid out here. Well, I'm not laid out. I'm just chilling out, sitting out, listening to the water splash on the rocks. And as far as I can see in every direction, it's just me.